Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, what impact Shiba Inu entry in fashion industry would have on SHIB ecosystem? Recently Shiba Inu partners fashion brand to develop 10,000 clothing non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba in another line of development, in a bid to prove its cryptocurrency project is not a meme coin. Shiba Inu, the popular dog-themed project, has partnered with John Richmond to develop 10,000 units of clothing non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Per a recent announcement, the 10,000 fashion digital collectible will also have a wearable capsule connected to it. The non-fungible tokens, according to the announcement, will be presented to the world at the Richmond Fashion Show during the 2022 Milan Fashion Week in September this year. Moreover, the collection will be available to buy in all the Richmond flagship stores worldwide and all of its retailers. An after-party will be held exclusive to members of the SHIB Army and SHIB holders, at a secret theme and location expected to be announced in the coming months. More adoption for Shiba Inu. Following the initiative, a new set of enthusiasts from the fashion industry will be onboarded into the SHIB ecosystem from the fashion world, leading to widespread adoption of the cryptocurrency, popularly described as the Dogecoin killer. Interestingly, with the event tipped to go down at 2022 Milan Fashion Week, top-class models could showcase some NFTs, thus boosting Shiba Inu's popularity globally. Shiba Inu NFT project. It is worth noting that this is not the first time the Shiba Inu team will be developing a non-fungible token project. Last year, Shiba Inu officially unveiled its first-ever NFT dubbed Shiboshi, an initiative that has gained traction across popular marketplaces, including OpenSea. SHIB accepting AMC chain buys gold mine. Details is reported by Barron's, the popular American chain of movie theaters, AMC, that has recently began to accept meme cryptocurrencies Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and has been taking Bitcoin payments since last November, is investing in a purchase of a gold-silver mine rather than getting BTC or another crypto on their balance sheet. The company is also acquiring a stake in Hycroft Mining Holding, who owns the mine. Peter Schiff's sarcastic tweet. Prominent Bitcoin hater Peter Schiff, a gold bug and chairman of Schiff Gold, has taken to Twitter to share an article about AMC refusing to buy BTC but going for his favorite hedge asset, gold. He stresses that AMC executives have raised money from crypto investors by selling their stocks to them but then used the funds to purchase the stake in the gold mining company and buy their mine. AMC buys gold mine instead of BTC, SHIB, Doge. The company has spread the word about purchasing a 22% stake in Hycroft Mining Holding. Their gold and silver mine in Nevada State. AMC has also bought is places on a territory of 71,000 acres. The amount of funds AMC plans to spend on this investment is $27.9 million in cash. This will buy them 23.4 million warrant units. Each of them will be comprised of one common HYMC share and one common share purchase warrant. Each share costs $1.193 and each purchase warrant is priced at $1.07 and they are issued for a 5-year term. Aside from getting the warrants, AMC will be entitled to add their representative on the board of Hycroft. As for the mine, it contains 15 million ounces of gold deposits and 600 million ounces of silver, according to AMC. AMC has decided to diversify its funds after the profits were hit in 2020. So now, it has found a company with liquidity issues, according to the AMC chief Adam Aron, and this investment is going to help both sides, he said, commenting on the deal. In an attempt to boost ticket sales, AMC has recently started to accept cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Doge and SHIB. Spot gold price plunges today. Spot gold has lost 1.84% against USD. Peter Schiff has tweeted that gold is falling in the anticipation of the 1/4 point Fed reserve rate hike tomorrow. However, the gold bug believes that this step of the Fed will hardly slow the inflation down and real interest rates will keep falling. He added that once the rate hike is over, gold should start appreciating. Earlier today, Schiff suggested a scenario that would allow Bitcoin price to grow. Part of it that the Fed would not raise the interest rate so high and gold would go down. Shiba Inu price to complete the bearish pattern with a 70% drop. Shiba Inu price action sees price pressure against the technical triangle base at 2,140. SHIB price action set to test the low of its existence. As global markets threaten to drop into a recession, investors will flee cryptocurrencies in the coming days. Shiba Inu price action is on the cusp of breaking out of a bearish triangle that has dictated price action over the past 2 months. With a break to the downside, room opens up for an almost 70% drop towards the lowest levels in its existence as investors flee cryptocurrencies overall, following more and more reports that global markets are going into recession. With this dire projection in mind, expect to see further bleeding of SHIB price action as it falls back to 655. Shiba Inu price action bleeds as investors flee from recession fears. Shiba Inu price action is seeing a massive squeeze building from bears trying to break out of the bearish triangle as more and more headwinds combine each day. The situation in Ukraine and new lockdowns in China are spelling supply chain issues again, and banks are starting to use the word recession more often in their reports about the future. This weighs on investor sentiment as cryptocurrencies are put on the back foot and witness a daily outflow of cash from investors pulling the plug on their positions. SHIB price looks to break below 2,140 any moment now, with considerable momentum behind it from the death cross with the 55-day simple moving average, SMA, below the 200-day SMA. Next to that, the relative strength index is nowhere near being oversold, opening the door for short sellers to pick up some more gains in the downtrend. Expect to see a sharp drop in the coming days towards 1,000, breaking the monthly S1 and S2 support levels along the way, only to find a floor near 607, which is near the lowest level in SHIBs. Although red flags are popping up all over financial markets, investors could still be working on a turnaround in an attempt to look beyond the current crisis at hand. If central banks can steer economies out of this dire situation, expect investors to start buying into cryptocurrencies to take advantage of lucrative discounts. This could spill into a turnaround and see price action first pop back above 2,500, breaking the bearish 55-day SMA and hitting 2,787, above the 28.6% Fibonacci level. Charts signal a revisit to O2 support. Buy opportunity? With the recent breakdown of the descending triangle, the Shiba Inu price fell below the 225 mark with a downfall of 4.78% last week. The falling price is on the way to reaching O2, but will the bulls reverse the trend at the psychological support, or will the meme coin reach a new low? On March 11, the Shiba Inu sellers breached the weekly support level of 225. Moreover, this support was also part of a descending triangle pattern neckline, accelerating the ongoing selling. The altcoin spent the next 2 days retesting this breached support, 225. The long-tail rejection candles at this level suggest the prior support level has flipped to valid resistance. If traders sustain below this 225 mark, the selling would gradually increase and sink the altcoin to O2 psychological level. A follow-up breakdown would open the door for retesting the January low, 017. On the other hand, if buyers push the altcoin above the flipped resistance, it would suggest that the current breakdown was a bear trap, which could bolster the buyers to pierce the descending trendline. This resistance trendline breakout is necessary to initiate a recovery rally in Shiba Inu. Technical indicator: the falling crucial EMAs achieve the bearish alignment with the fresh negative crossover of the 100 and 200-day EMA. Moreover, the 20-day EMA provides a constant dynamic barrier to sabotage bullish attempts. However, the volatility indicator shows the V-lines maintaining the bearish alignment by avoiding the bullish crossover last week and increasing the spread. Resistance levels 226 and 253. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.